So now let's see how we can use mosaic blur in certain portions of the videos that we're working with. So over here you can see that there's my timeline and I have a video clip right here. So in order to add in a mosaic blur on, let's say, the left side of the video, I need to first go into effect. And over here, I need to go into utility. And over here on the top, you can see mosaic is an option. So you simply need to click and drag it on the top of the video layer right here. And you can see that as I take my cursor right here, the video cursor right here, you can see that there's a blob of square that I can move around in different parts of the video. So if I were to resize it and keep it right here, let's say for example, you can see that only the left side of the video gets blurred out. So you can see that it's not taking in effect where the mosaic is not there. So let me just go ahead and resize this all out. And if I were to press the play button, you can see that this is how it actually looks. So now if I were to double click on it, you can see that I have option for the type of mosaic blur that I want to apply. So over here you can see that there's type. So I can go around into this kind of mosaic and I can increase and decrease the blur amount right here. So you can see that I can really buff it up right here and decrease the opacity as well to get the level of effect I want. And once I do this, this is how certain part of the video is just blurred out. You can move it anywhere you want, as you want, just like that. And that is how you can blur out certain portions of the video using mosaic blur. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.